If you have the gene mutation, it will affect how your MTHFR enzyme works in the body, and therefore, it will also affect your methylated folate levels in the body. The first thing it can lead to is a deficiency in folate, and this we associate with neuro-2 defects and Down syndrome. We can also see elevated homocysteine levels, and the reason for that is that we need that methylated folate in order to convert that homocysteine into methionine. Now, elevated homocysteine levels are very inflammatory in the body. You may also see a decrease in SAMe, which is required in order to produce our neurotransmitters. And our neurotransmitters are things like serotonin, dopamine, and melatonin. And these things are associated with conditions like ADHD, anxiety and depression, autism, anything really mental health related. The last thing you may see is poor detoxification. And that's because that methylated folate is really a critical player in our detoxification pathway.